Yo, what's up, my people? It's your boy Bill, and the product has arrived. So, can you guess which product is this? And maybe, actually, by a product, I'm meaning using a phone. So, and I will give out this phone that I was using. It's Oppo A57. So, I will give it to 1,000 subscribers. So, a person will, if we subscribe to reach 1,000. Because we are nearly there. So subscribe and you might win yourself an Oppo A57. I promise you guys. And for today, so I have the Xiaomi M3. So I was to choose between Samsung Galaxy S9 and Xiaomi M3 and Samsung A12, and I choose Xiaomi because of the 48 megapixel and 128 GB internal and 4 GB RAM. So let's unbox this thing and see out its features, if it's true. So this is the first time that I'm unboxing or buying a Xiaomi phone. So just make sure to click the subscribe to see the updates each and every week. Just remember that each and every week update coming through. So let's unbox this. So thanks for watching. Oh, actually I haven't finished watching, so keep watching until the end and see what we have installed for us. So where we start. So I guess this is the, let's see, we get more gay. Here's my number. Hit me up. I guess this is the seal. So let's open the seal. Minute. We are finally here. It is Poco M3, Xiaomi Poco M3 at 6000 mAh. That's a very powerful battery. So not all phones that it has that shell life, and it has it's quite heavy but not that heavy. So it's having, if you can see it well, so it's having, this camera is not focusing well. Okay, there. So it's having a 4 GB RAM, 128 GB ROM, 48 megapixel, 6000 mAh, 4G Lite smartphone, and it's blue. So let's see if this thing is true. Yeah. So let's open up this phone. Xiaomi. So let's open up. Sorry for the bad quality of the video. And oh, actually I have a ring light here. So let's install this first. Let's start with the hard. Let's install this and see how this thing works. Let's test this thing out. See the light that it will produce. So we can't. Okay, yeah. I think that's better. That's better. And this, I will put it in my laptop. So there's this end here on this, then I'll put it on my laptop. Then turn it on. It's quite clear right now. So that's about the image that I wanted. So I have the Xiaomi here, the Poco M3. Poco M3. So where will you? That with easy access to the Google apps you use most. So this is a China phone. For those who doesn't know, Poco M3 is a China phone. I will put it here. It's sealed. Oh shit. Finally. So what do we have here? There's another cover here, so let's see. Let's start with this. What's inside here? Let's check this out. Actually, we'll do this. So this is the phone here. So let's put it here. Focus on this thing. So there is the phone. Right now, I have a pin here. So this is for opening pin. Book, and it's written in there's no English. I can't say English here. We'll figure that out later. So still this note. Oh, actually this is English. Then clear cover. This colorless, it's clear. The phone, the Poco M3. What do you think about this? Phone candle. Let's finish with the box first. Maybe there's something amazing here. Nothing. And the charger. The charger is quite big than normally that I always use. So the battery is its output is 5 volts or 9 volts to 12 volts, 20 watts. This thing on output always can go into 12 volts. And then there's this USB type C. Yeah, there. So USB type C, so that. So this here, let's return it. Let's pack it inside here. So let's pack inside everything that we need. So we'll leave it that there. Okay. So let's leave this. Let's keep this outside. Poco M3, 4GB RAM, 128GB ROM. Okay. So we have the phone here. So remember, this is the phone that I'm giving out away. So right now it doesn't have a charger. That's why I chose this phone, because of its camera. Okay, let's start it. There's a vibration, powered by Android. So this is the top part. There's a cable. So let me read you the features of this phone. Ooh, that's nice. So this phone weighs at around 198 grams. It's built front glass, Gorilla Glass, then plastic at the back, plastic frame, then the SIM. Let's see about the SIM. So the SIM, let's see if it's dual or single. So there, the SIM, it's dual, is 1080 times 2340 pixels. So let's go start alone, then let's set this thing up. Kenya. Poco, sijui what. I have agreed. We don't always read the terms and conditions, but it has a lot of consequences. To insert your SIM card, read instruction came with the device. Check again. Skip. You don't want to install any. Hey, this is a 5G. It can catch a 5G network. Woo! Skip. So location, accept everything. Let's wait for the load. For the fingerprint. Let's set the fingerprint pattern. Let's see the pattern. Got it. Let's set the pattern. Oh, actually it's clear. Then this is my normal password that I always use. I don't hide my password because I have nothing to hide, bana. So the fingerprint, I guess this will work. Even this. Let's see. It needs a lot of touching. Done. Okay, location, allow apps to access your location, send diagnostic data, contain your personal info, don't send. Automatic system update. Okay, personal add based on your interest. No, I don't want to receive anything. I want user experience program, help us improve our product service by sharing user. Okay, that's quite good. You ready to rock? Kindly leave a comment. What do you think about this phone? What do you love most about this phone? What do you hate about this phone? So the Type-C, there's speaker, there's this microphone, and it's windproof, so you can talk it in wind. So it's quite nice, more than I expected. So it has a plastic frame, remember that, a plastic back. So these are 48 megapixel, then this 2 megapixel for close-up camera, and this for micro, still 2 megapixel. I don't know why they chose to put a one camera for 48 megapixel. Then this logo Poco, they're not trying to hide anything about their phone, so it's quite good and quite well. So just remember, I will be going live each and every day using this phone, so just make sure to follow me on my Facebook page, Instagram. Links are on the description. Thanks a lot, and we are in. So this is my phone right now. So the first thing we are going to test is the 8 megapixel camera on the front. Deny, I don't want location. Select function to shutter. Press and hold the burst shutter. Press and hold the record button. Okay. So let's switch it. So this is me. It's quite clear. Can you hear the sound? No, the 8 megapixel, it's not that good. No. Oh, it's good. It's because of the light. It's quite clear. Okay, I was seeing this and then I thought it wasn't good, but it's quite good. And what else? The back camera, it's working well. Got nothing. So the back camera, let's take a photo of it. I think it can take using the fingerprint. So that's it. Let's delete the photo. Oh, the camera text will be there on the other phone, so let's go through this phone. Settings, about phone, 19 GB out of device name Poco M3. I'm going to change it to be Bill Mwangi. Bill, this is how my name is written. You see here, Bill Mwangi. Android version, it's running on a MUI version for Poco, Android version 12, Android version 10, all specs, 4 GB RAM, octa-core max 20GH, Android version 20. It's quite good. So let me set it up, then we'll talk later. I'll tell you about how this phone is working. It has a lot of settings and a lot of things, man, that needs to be. Oh, it's categorized: photography, tools, news and reading, games. Let's play a game. It's quite good, can't complain it. So thanks for watching. This was the unboxing of the Poco. Yeah, thanks for watching. So this was the unboxing of the Poco M3. This is the Poco. It's quite a nice interface. So yeah, thanks for watching. Kindly please leave a subscribe, leave a like. I just brought this camera and this ring light for bringing contents for you, so just make sure to click the subscribe button. Let me test the camera first. The camera is quite clear. So thanks for watching, kindly leave a subscribe. Okay, let's meet on the next video. So the next video will be testing this camera on different angles, and the next video I'll upload it. I'll tell you after a week. After a week, I'll tell you about this phone, the charging and all those things. Oh, it's not Type-C. Oh, it's Type-C. So let's meet on the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.